Hey everyone, it's Becca. Hopefully I don't have stuff in my teeth because I just ate, but I just got this package and I had to share. I ordered from Beautylish and I got some Jeffree Star palettes. Number one, this wrapping paper is just gorgeous, even with like the little logo. I hope you can see that. I'm keeping that for sure. They had black tissue paper. My battery's running low. Then I got this Bumble and Bumble BB Glow, which is pretty cool, just a free sample. I just love the way Beautylish packages. They have the great customer service, and I did get the Bloodlust palette. Figured I'm probably going to be working soon, so won't have a lot of opportunity to wear bright shadows anymore. So I had been waiting for a sale, but I just went ahead and got these. I should have ordered Blue Blood during the Black Friday sale, but I didn't. I just love even this outer sleeve. It has that soft matte touch. I'm just so excited. Here it is when you open it. It has that like coffin look. I mean, just gorgeous baby blue. Oh, even the clasp is just gorgeous. So yeah, this is just going to be a little mini haul, but it has a huge mirror. And then here are those shades. Let me take a look. There's different like embossments. I mean, it is just gorgeous. I kind of don't even want to ruin it by swatching it. There are those shades again. Hopefully you can see them. Just so pretty. I just can't get over it really. And this was kind of ahead of the curve in terms of blue palettes. You know, now ColourPop has one and some others, but that was really ahead of the curve in my opinion. And then Bloodlust, which is newer. I also am kind of interested in his cremated palette, though it does look very, very gray. I wish there was some more like browns in there, but that's okay. And then this one is very luxe. This is actually a good spring shade. I love even like the packaging in here that says Bloodlust. And then here's the palette. Actually, the velvet doesn't feel as nice as I thought it would, to be honest. I got a Urban Decay palette a long time ago that you could pop out the purple velvet, because purple is their color, and to be like a little jewelry tray, and I did do that. And that one was even better velvet in my opinion. This one's even like textured velvet, like has all these lines through it, but here's the little clasp. Okay, that took me forever to figure out how to open. You push it up. Oh, and then it came with a great protective sleeve. Very, very thick plastic, which I think this is kind of new for him. And then the mirror actually has plastic covering it. It's a great sound. And there is the palette. So very nice. Yeah, very springy shades. Honestly, the quality of this palette does not feel as good as the others. I know it's a little more expensive. Like the cardboard in here is already like being torn up a bit. It's a little messy. Yeah, I'm not actually as impressed with the quality as I thought I'd be, because this is pretty expensive, but the shades are really pretty. I feel like it's pretty, like the back of that, pretty unique to my collection. This like Take the Crown shade is actually kind of similar to what I'm wearing today. Wet Jewel I know is like a new formula that feels really cool. Let's do Pink Magic. That looks nice. And Executioner. Nice. Sometimes his color stories don't make that much sense to me. There are definitely a few wild cards in this palette. Hopefully you guys can see these colors. But anyway, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and just show you the few things I got from Beautylish of Jeffree Star. Like I said, there is that other palette, the cremated palette, I'm interested in, but I'm waiting to hear more reviews. Some of the looks I've seen look to be very similar. It's just all sort of gray. And I don't love gray shadows. I do love cool neutrals, but just not gray. So we'll see about that one. But I am really excited to have these 2 palettes. Like I said, I've been lusting after the Blue Blood palette forever, as well as this one since it came out, and since they were still in my mind, and like I said, I probably won't have too much more opportunity to wear shadows like this on the daily. I just went for it. So anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.